Namaskar. Welcome to Dialogue with Divakars. This is Dr. Hema Divakar, obstetrician and gynecologist from the Divakars Specialty Hospital at JP Nagar, Bengaluru. Let's talk about HPV vaccines. Have you heard of it? No, doctor, never ever. Only when my child was born, for a whole year, I went back and forth to the doctor, one vaccine after another. I'm aware that newer vaccines have come into the market, but I thought my vaccination with my child was really over when the child crossed 1 year of age. But then the pediatrician also has told me, and now you are the second person who is telling me, your daughter is already 12, have you given her the HPV vaccine? Vaccine at such a late age? Well, this is a new breakthrough in science. HPV, just like the HIV. Nobody knows what is the expansion of HIV, but they know that HIV can cause the dreaded disease like AIDS. Similarly, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HPV is human papillomavirus. These are different strains of viruses. The cervical cancer, that is the neck of the uterus, which is called the cervix, if it has to have a cancer, it has to first be infected with HPV virus. Once the virus gets in there, it can transform the cells, the normal cells, into cancerous cells, and therefore, if you give a vaccine to prevent the entry of HPV virus into your body, definitely common sense prevails, and you know that if the HPV virus cannot enter your body, it cannot get into the cervix, it cannot change the cervical cells, which are normal, into cancerous cells. This is the way you will prevent cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is one of the dreaded diseases. When you were born, as a mom, now you must be 35, 36 years old. When you were born, you could not take this vaccine because this vaccine was yet to be discovered. But let the generation next not be deprived of the information that they need 3 doses of HPV vaccine to prevent cervical cancer, dose 0, dose 2, and at 6 months, that is the dose 3. Any time between the ages of 12 to 20 years, ideally. Even if she is not taken at the age of 20, do not think she has missed the bus. She can take it right until she is 45 years, because the potential that this virus can get into her system by sexual intercourse, the potential that it can transform the normal cervical cells into cervical cancer cells is immense till the age of 45. So do not deny yourself or your daughter the HPV vaccination to prevent cervical cancer.